Welcome to a guided meditation for changing your mindset on Declutter the Mind. In this session, we'll work on shifting unhelpful thought patterns and fostering a more positive and adaptive mindset. And so, this practice is about bringing awareness to your thoughts, questioning them with mindfulness, and making room for new perspectives. And so let's begin by sitting comfortably. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you're carrying. Take another breath in, let it go, and allow your body to settle. And now gently close your eyes. Begin here by focusing on the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice how your body breathes all on its own. Allow the breath to be your anchor here, keeping you grounded in the present moment. And as you continue to breathe, begin to bring awareness to the thoughts running through your mind. What are the most frequent or recurring thoughts you've had recently? And you don't need to dive deep into them, just notice the thoughts and the type of thoughts that have been occupying your mind. And now let's focus on one specific thought or belief that feels limiting or unhelpful. It could be something like, I'm not good enough, or I always fail at this, or any other thought pattern that's holding you back or disrupting your mind. Take a moment here to just identify that thought. And then once you have it in mind, let's observe it with curiosity, without judgment. How does this thought feel in your body? Does it bring tension, discomfort, stress? Where do you feel it most? Maybe in your chest, shoulders, or elsewhere. And simply notice its effects on your body and mind. And now let's shift our perspective. Ask yourself here, is this thought absolutely true? Is there evidence that contradicts this belief? Maybe there have been a few times when you did succeed, or times when that thought wasn't present. And so take a moment here to challenge the thought, acknowledging that it may not be as fixed or true as it seems. And as you do this, begin to open up to the possibility of a different mindset here. What would a more supportive or empowering thought look like? Maybe it's, I am capable, or I can learn from mistakes, or I have the strength to improve. And so choose a thought here that feels right for you, a thought that can serve as a positive counterbalance. And so take this new, empowering thought and sit with it. How does it feel compared to the old one? Notice how your body responds. Is there a sense of lightness, ease, or relief? And allow this new mindset to take root, breathing into it, allowing it to expand with each inhale. And if the old thought returns, we don't resist it. We acknowledge its presence, and then we consciously choose to return to the new mindset. This is the practice. It's replacing unhelpful patterns with ones that support your growth and well being. And take a few more moments here, just sitting with this new mindset. Again, breathing into it, allowing it to settle to your awareness. And gently return your attention back to the breath, out of thought. And then when you are ready, open your eyes and notice how you feel. Thank you for sitting today, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.